Hi everyone. Now, very first thing, welcome to 2022. I wish you very happy new year. Let's begin this year with the ninth question that is from second class 12 topic, that is the concept of electrostatic potential energy and its relation with work done. So it's all about electrostatic potential energy. And you know that potential energy concept comes in many chapters, and in everywhere the change in potential energy is nothing but work done in changing the configuration. That is the very first thing you need to understand. So here the very first thing what we have to understand is what is the electrostatic potential energy of 2 point charges separated by a distance. When you consider 2 point charges, consider 2 point charges separated by a distance r. Let's take the charges as q1, q2. The distance is r. Then the electrostatic potential energy of the system is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 by r. This is in the absence of external electric field. If there is an electric field and the two charges separated in the presence of external field, then the potential energy is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 by r plus q1 into v1 plus q2 into v2. v1 is the potential here and v2 is the potential here. So this is the electrostatic potential energy of a system of 2 point charges separated by some distance. This is the thing you need to remember first. Then comes what is the difference between potential difference and between 2 points and potential at a point. See, when you consider like 2 points, let's take this is A and B, then VA minus VB or VB minus VA, we call it as potential difference. This is, that is, potential difference between 2 points is work done bringing from A to B or B to A by the charge whichever you are moving. Now if you are moving from A to B, if you move from A to B, then VB minus VA, that is work done in moving from A to B per unit charge. This is the potential difference. Now you consider 1 point as infinity. Now here you want to find the potential at point P. Now you have to move the charge from infinity to this point. So the potential at that point will become work done in moving the point from infinity to the given point per unit charge. So if the initial point is at infinity, then the work done for unit charge is final potential at the final point where you are bringing. If two finite points you considered, then the work done in moving between those two finite points is for unit charge is potential difference between those 2 points. Now, the next thing is what is the relation between work done, electrostatic force and external force and change in potential energy. See here, when you consider, suppose like here one charge q is there. Now here one charge q is there. Now when you are moving this from here to here, so in the presence of external charge, when we move a charge, then there is a work done. Now here work is two types, that is work by electrostatic electric force. Another is work by external force. One is electric force, another one is external force. Now, work done by external force equal to change in potential energy, or change in potential energy is also equal to negative of work done by electric force. That is nothing but negative of work done by conservative force. This is what the concept of relation between work done and change in potential energy. Always you try to remember. Just like when you consider a charge q and you take q at infinity and you move from here to here at a distance r, then the work done is minus kq by r. Then delta u will become kq by r. So this is the work by electrostatic force. So this way you need to understand. Now also here one more thing you need to understand, that like they'll ask the question based on mainly like what is the work done. So that is nothing but, see, this is the work done in changing the configuration. So when they change the configuration means you are moving from one point to another point, that means there is a work done. That work done will be storing as potential energy and it is related to electrostatic. That's why we call it as electrostatic potential energy. So revise these all things. Then the questions how they will ask based on this is the very first thing. See here. If one charge, if energy is required to move a charge between 2 points, then what will be the potential difference between them? See, work done, nothing but energy. Now, potential difference is nothing but work per unit charge. Then work is nothing but delta U. So, delta U they have given as how much? 4 into 10 power 20. 4 into 10 power 20 by 0.25. So, if you substitute and calculate, yes, 0.25. 0.25 nothing but 4. 1 by 4. Then if it goes up, 16 into 10 power 20. So this way you can find. But here electron volt they are given. Energy in electron volt means it will become like 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. So into 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. So it will become 256 volt. So just remember the formula, collect the data and do the proper calculation. Then kinetic energy of an electron accelerated in a potential difference of 100 volts. See here, when a body, charged body accelerated from A to B by applying some potential difference. Now here, accelerated through a potential difference means there is some work done. So work done equal to Q into delta V. But according to work energy theorem, work done is also equal to change in kinetic energy. So that Q delta V equal to half m V square minus U square. But here it is started from rest. So initial velocity is 0. So final kinetic energy you can take as U0. So Q delta V equal to K final. So Q given, delta V given. So here they are trying to relate the question between electrostatics and work energy theorem. Now here, in the electric field of a point charge Q, a certain charge is carried from point A to B, C, D and E, then the work done. So, in the electric field of point Q. Now, see here if the electric charge is at the center, one thing you need to understand that as charge is at center, the distance of A, B, C, D, E all are same, and the potential due to a point charge is kq by r. So that potential at A equal to B equal to C equal to D equal to E. Then the potential difference between any 2 points when you consider, so delta V is 0, so that work done is also 0. So when you are moving the charge from one point to another point who have same potential, then the work done is 0. Then one more question. In the rectangle shown below, the two corners have charges. The work done in moving a charge from B to A. Now, see here, B they mentioned, but A did not mention. Let's take this point as A. So what you have to do is, here first, two charges are there and another charge you place. See here one charge is there, that is Q1. Here another charge is there, that is Q2, like this. Now you are keeping one more charge here. Let's take that is Q. Now here three charges are there. Now for n charges, there are n into n minus 1 by 2 number of combinations. So for 3 charges means 3 into 3 minus 1 by 2, how many 3 combinations will come? Like between Q1, one potential energy, let's take U1, and Q2, U2, and Q1, Q2, U3. Like that, there is one U initial, that is U1 plus U2 plus U3. Similarly, there is one final. Let's take U1 dash plus U2 dash plus U3 dash. Then they are asking what? Work done. Now, work done equal to U final minus U initial. And for each set of charges, what is the electrostatic potential energy formula for two particles? K Q1 Q2 by R. But here, not one set, there are multiple sets are there. And how many sets are available or possible? First you need to calculate, then you can solve the question. This is also one of the important type of question. And one last and final question. Two positive point charges are placed 10 centimeter apart in the air. The work needed to bring them 4 centimeter closer. See, like there are two charges. Now they are at some distance. So Q1, Q2, they are at some separation R. Then what is the initial potential energy? K, Q1, Q2 by R. Now you bring them closer by some distance. Let's say the distance became R minus X. Now the final potential energy will become K Q1 Q2 by R minus X. Then the work done is final minus initial. So this is the concept of the relation between work done and change in electrostatic potential energy. If in the same question, if they ask, what is the work done by electrostatic force, then it will become negative. So that way you need to understand what they are asking exactly, and then accordingly you have to apply the formula whatever is applicable. So this is how you try to deal with it. And I have given 5 assignment questions, similar type of questions, and also few questions are there in NCERT also. Please try to solve it. Right? So once again, a very happy new year to all of you. Let's continue this journey, and I hope you all will come with me, and it is gonna help you all. I feel same thing, strongly believe. So please try to do the work regularly, and all the best.